Come with no weapons, leave with big bargains. I can feel our energies resonating.
If I don't have what you need, I'll help you. Oh, I think you're really gonna enjoy that.
I didn't hurt it too bad.
By land, sea, or sky, arrow gets you there-o. Arrow gets you there-o. Oh, never get tired of that. You have a good one.
Some folks a lot older than me have lived a lot less. You've learned all you can from me. See Argenta. She's wonderful.
Just a little friendly sparring, right?
Come on in. I have one of these at home. Just plain fun to drive.
Let's go, let's go, let's go! Outage! Cast aside your detriment! Your aura guided me to what you needed. You are enough. I'm glad you bought this.
few new designs I want to try. Let me know what you think.
You do see these tusks, right? I believed in myself and I still lost.
Smart shoppers buy vintage. New is for suckers. They don't make these like they used to.
First, the flame, then the steel. I do not deserve another day.
Yes! Flying high.
We take pride in our rest. Our items have lived. They have stories.
I'd rather build stuff than break it, but inventions need testing.
Something sleeps within me. Don't wake it up. Well, well. The hunter becomes the hunted.
My food, eat the bones for stronger bones.
Sleep? Like, what even is that? When the municipality annexes the bazaar, my degree will be worthless anyway. Ugh.
Upgrade everything! Even me.
Thanks for trusting me. I hope we can do this again.
Is this a social situation? I'm not great at those.
Go ahead, underestimate me. It makes this more fun. You've got talent. You should put it toward nobler use.
Do you play baseball? Nah, of course you play baseball.
Gigamart's owner is the ultimate business. The more you buy, the more you save. It's just math. Thank you. What else can I get for you?
Hold really still, okay? This
rocket today.
Next time, I'll just walk on the ground.
The better I get, the more I can help.
Come on, then. Let's get this over with. Medium is a size of dignity. Oh, I didn't want to sell that anyway.
Sale, no sale. Oh, delivery's free. I like the exercise. If it's not right for you, bring it back. I want you to be happy. I used to offer a free ride home, but people thought it was weird.
Hi, I'm Stelle Ingenious. Wanna fight?
The forests on Tegan would eat you alive. Fought giga bears that hit softer than you. Impressive.
I would never debase my wares by haggling. Ugh. Ugh, window shoppers.
Make deals, not war. Use that for the good of all.
Don't worry. I keep these teeth clean and sharp. Business is business, my friend.
Get good so you can do good.
You seem lighter. I think you had a breakthrough.
If I can just sell 1,000 more, our owner might notice me.
After I break all your stuff, I'd be happy to repair it.
I should warn you, I'm not like other Jabarians. No hard feelings, right?
Rumor has it there's a rumor going around. All the best food stands are in the River District, of course.
Outlets! You're watching! Oh! No!
Now, if I can just learn how to talk to people.
The smaller the portions, the finer the meal. Whoever said money can't buy class had neither. Buyer's remorse never. Be remorseless.
Little sentient slub shops. So I opened one. Tiny Andy says I need to close the deal. Nah.
Let's stress test our gear, yeah?
You should know, I'm a bit of a legend on Pelago. Bravery without strength is a sword without a blade.
Quality engineering.
Lounging in this resort, and with a blast of pure charisma, voila!
Do you need more powerful tools? Why? Participant now suddenly with anxious demeanor.
We used to fly right over problems like this. Ugh, if my family saw this, they'd be furious. My battle days are over, but my weapons crave more. Enjoy the thrill of battle while you can.
Use it well. Make me proud.
The Bazaar's a crazy place, right? Maybe I should lower my prices.
This is like sport, right? You're not really mad at me.
Are you sure? Have you noticed I'm huge? That was invigorating.
A serious upgrade.
What's up? Come on in. Not the DIY type, huh?
People first, profit 10th. Maybe I'm not cut out for business.
You must think very highly of yourself to challenge me. Incredible. I yield to your skill.
Watch out, Tantius Industries. Stelle's workshop's on the rise.
I've got 4 legs because I carry this company.
Take your time. I'm pretty laid back. Every item finds its buyer. It's a relationship, you know?
want to get lunch after this. Is that weird?
We're out to dethrone a king, not to squabble with nobody. I paint my ship red, but I don't use paint.
Let me guide you through this darkness.
Hey, Uncle Odie. Maybe I'll be training you soon.
You know what should embarrass the family? Sending warships to tyrants. Your anti-airship drill. The exact size of Tantia's plating gaps. Devious.
All things in moderation. In life and business. And that's how a master merchant makes a sale. Not too big, not too small. Perfect. Oh, now this is a tasteful item.
This is why I don't leave the workshop.
Reward the peaceful, punish the warful. I feel like you're not being fully present with me.
I may be retired, but my Sky Patrol vows still hold. Integrity above all. I sold one of these to my niece. Very safe machine.
When we're done here, stop by my shop for a tune-up.
I may be young for a captain, but I've seen my share of stores. All cannon, no ball.
I don't need a Tantius factory to build a better life.